Yeah, late Friday, are we? Heading out for a fish. Me and Raymond and Stocky's come along for a trip. He hadn't been out with us for a while. Bit of a overcast, light rain, but light wind, so we'll see how we go. Yeah, Ray's just digging a bit of a trench there. Drop his front wheels in there and level everything up. So the mulloway's just getting his rod ready there. He's in for a big haul, he reckons, due for a big mulloway. Yeah, mulloway, 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 mulloway. Stockton's all sorted there. So mulloway's getting his bed ready for the night.
I've got to put it up before I have a rum.
Yeah, you get drunk, eh? That's going to be a nightmare.
It would be a nightmare, so.
Nightmare sailor getting over this.
I'm ahead of the game.
Have a look at this, we're living the dream here. Corona free out here. Oh, what have we got here? Got a big bite. We're on, Raymond. Whoa!
Got a big skippy.
Oh, we're on here. Only right here. Geez, Ray, he's got the pressure on you already, mate.
So mulloway's losing his
he's over there getting on the turf, so not watching what he's doing.
So mulloway's losing his
Yeah, Sir Mulloway's been relegated already. Sun had even gone down. Oh, is it a fiddler shark? Oh. Oh man. We're over those things, eh? We have a tangle there, Raymond, eh?
Blame Stockton with this one.
Yes, we're going to blame someone, mate. Oh, we've got a skippy here. Stockton's on the board. Nothing decent here. Way to go, Stockton. Good work.
Not a bad little neighbour's fish.
Yeah, that was alright. We'll take that from here. Oh, we've got a bit of an audience going on here. Wow, here we go, Raymond. We're just sitting back having a quiet beer there and he struck again. Woohoo! Wow.
Kicking like maybe it's a skip.
Oh, yeah. Skippy.
Swimming in with me there.
Yeah.
Come on, in you come.
Come on, come to Daddy.
That's your fault.
Yeah, it's a big skippy, I think, Raymond. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's a meal.
It's a skippy.
That's a meal for one.
Ah, very good, awesome.
Raymond, you're getting some bites. I think I'm over me. That's a little trout, skippy.
It's a skippy. Oh, wow. They're back. We haven't caught any for a while. Awesome.
We've got a bit of a mess going on here.
Oh, yeah, another line.
Jag, that one.
Oh, good stuff. Awesome. Good work.
We've got everything here, right?
Raymond's got a fish here.
Still got him.
He's got a fish. He's tangled up.
Fully tangled up. Stockton.
And he's got a fish at the same time. Oh, another skippy. Shit, it's nearly dead of old age. It's been on that long. Oh, good work, Raymond. Knocked up an awesome feed of sausages. Check this here. Oh, potato salad, nice and warm. Bit of coleslaw. Mate, we are living the dream tonight. Coronavirus free. Well, totally free. Rex, you've got a skipper here, Stockton. Ray and I were just eating our dinner there. Oh, here we go. Lindsay to the rescue.
Right.
They're all around about the same size. It's not a bad size though.
Yeah.
Well done, Stockton. Well done.
Out at Thomas River on a beautiful stormy Friday night.
Oh, there's a bit of drop of rain coming.
Out here hiding away from the coronavirus.
No virus down here, just raining.
Some people like these, I think.
Yeah, I reckon they're alright.
Give them to your old man, eh?
Yeah, we just woke up not long ago. Absolutely sensational weather. Oh, how good is this? Spotted a massive stingray a minute ago. Absolutely huge. I'll put that in the movie. You'll see it. Now Raymond's sitting in the hut there with Stockton. I'll probably want to feed shortly. No doubt. Oh, another awesome trip. Weather's sensational again. God, meant to be a heap of rain about lunchtime, so we're heading in the town. Had an awesome night. Got a few skippy, a few big stingrays unfortunately. Yeah, all round good night.